Brian DiMambro. Early in the 20th century, there was an explosion of cartography related to travel, individual private travel using bicycles, and also primarily automobiles. Since people were now able to be mobile, they wanted route maps to get from place to place, and this map is just such an item. It's color lithographed and printed in France. Paris is down here in the lower left corner. This is the northeast environs of the Paris region. And the key at the bottom notes various types of routes for bicyclists, as well as those routes which were paved well or perhaps more difficult to travel on. There are distances given between each location, and it's backed on linen by the publisher as issued in 32 panels. It still readily folds up. It's well preserved, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.